Hi, in this video I want to take over the theme of making a cobblestones pavement road and sidewalk. I have tried to reproduce the most realistic character of the stone paving. I will show you how cheap and easy you can prepare the tools needed for it. Into the wooden frame on which I have glued the balsa wood before, I have sprayed a mounting foam. After cutting the exact shape of the frame for buildings and the road with sidewalks, I have applied a lot of wood putty and sanded the surface several times. Subsequently, the surface was sprayed with metal primer and sanded to a smooth finish. When the base was done, I have decided to apply a soft natural clay on it and I could start to create the stone structures. But how? At first we have to make a stamp for the road cobblestones. I highly recommend you to use a magic stuff putty because the character of this material is the most suitable for this job. Just mix two equal parts together evenly. And when the mass has the same color, we can begin to shape the first cobblestone just with the fingers. I call them teeth because of their shape, which also serves as a handle. You can add the structure with the scalpel or in my case with the dental instruments. On the end you can simply smooth the surface with the brush and the water. Now we are done. Prepare several sizes and shapes as needed, and after curing we will mix new putty. Soak the tooth in water and press it into the fresh putty. This imprint is exactly what we need. Repeat the process if it is necessary. We are almost done. Just let this imprint harden for a few hours. Once your tooth has hardened enough, you need to remove excess mass from the sides with very sharp tool. Be careful not to cut through the tooth wall. Be gentle and give it some time. Cut also the stuff from top to make it flat. We are done. It's better to prepare more teeth that will last you a long time and you will have a spare. The last detail is the hole that helps to remove air during the pushing against the clay. And here is the example how it works. It's quick. Isn't it beautiful? I have decided to use smaller cobblestones on the paved sidewalks. The stems for this purpose were made from the plastic plates with thickness of 3 mm and 0.5 mm. The first I cut off 6 mm strip from a thinner plate and chopped it into the 4 short strips. Then I have cut off the sticks from the 3 mm plate and made a few adjustments with cutter. Thereafter I glued the strips to the stick. After the glue dried, I simply cut off them with the knife. And here is another example of how stamp for cobblestones works. I consider it as a successful and cheap way to imitate such a surface. And here you can see that the different objects from the model kits also can be pushed into the clay. These together with the stamps can create a unique composition with an emphasis on detail. That's all for now. I hope this video was helpful for you and thanks for your time and inspirative comments. From now I would like to share my progress with you every 2 weeks, so stay tuned. And cheers guys!